The location is in the south of Tuscany, very close to the Latium and Umbria. The name of my place is Agriturismo Locanda Pantanello and is just 5 kilometers far from Pitigliano, that is very old and beautiful city. The origin is medieval and before medieval Etruscan, and it's all around of us. We have a kind of rocks that is, the Italian name is tufo, and all Pitigliano is built in a tufa rocks. My parents bought this property more or less 30 years ago, because they're looking for a place to keep my father's horse. And they found this place with a lot of land, and then we have always friends and family that stay with us for the weekend in a summer holiday. And then my parents start to renovate the home, and day by day, they choose to open the house to the people that come to visit the area. This is a real family business, and me and my sister take care about the guests and the room. My mom cooks a very beautiful and amazing dinner for the guests. And my father takes care about the animals and the garden. I think for me the most important, the most special things for this place is this is my home, and when the guests come, I can open the door of my home and I can feel them like my family.